Welcome aboard Monday's Market Outlook here at TOPGUN Options. My name is Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and had a great extended weekend up at the Jersey Shore with my family. Got to see my mom and my brother, my sister, and nieces, nephews, cousins. Just a good time. I hadn't been back to the Jersey Shore in over a decade, and it was good to be home. Definitely family first. It was awesome, but got to hit it this week, man. I actually heading out to Aspen, Colorado on Thursday, doing a flyby for the 4th of July parade out there with our No Fallen Heroes Foundation fighter jet, and looking forward to that and celebrating our nation's independence. Speaking about our nation's independence, what about your financial independence? Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern, I'm going to open up the doors to our regular accelerated retirement brief. I'm going to give a brief about our Max Afterburner Lifetime membership. Head to go.topgunoptions.com/MAB. That stands for Max Afterburner. Ladies and gentlemen, and first of all, for registering, I'm going to give you, I just sent it out this morning, our right there, June 29, new Bullish on Merica, 13-page report with our Bullish on America trades. Just for opting in, I'm going to get you access to that 13-page report, man. We got good stuff. I updated my dot plot, so to speak, where I see the S&P 500 out to Dece of 2031 and my two trades that could see close to $300,000 in profit for a couple grand today. So opt in just to get that report. But check this out, man. My personal I'm knocking out my Q3 numbers. My Q3 numbers, folks, I am up if you allow me to round up, 76%. 76% is my performance during this past quarter. Go take a look at the past quarter, man. We had a little bit of a relief rally off the Epic Fury bottom, but man, as everything started to go in hell in a handbasket recently, I've outperformed and destroyed the indices, destroyed the so-called smart money. Folks, if you started trading with me 3 months ago with 100 grand, you got $175,000, $176,000. This ain't hard, folks. I don't love when the market rolls over, and because many of my fellow Americans have no idea what they're doing. They don't know how to profit as the market goes down. I do, and I can teach you how to do that. So go register, and I'll see you Wednesday morning, 10 a.m. And we're going to talk about the psychedelic sector. Definium. Did you see these names, folks? Are you kidding me? I have lifetime members who paid for multiple lifetime memberships with one trade on Oh my God, man. Look at Definium. Implosion, we're up at $45, ladies and gentlemen. I told you to buy these things with both hands. You've doubled your money. There's a lifetime membership on your screen. Well, Wiz, did I miss it? No. The psychedelic sector is just getting started, ladies and gentlemen. You need to come check out what we're doing. All right, real quick. I just got off a Fox News hit with Harris Faulkner. It's not a joke because it's not funny, and there are lives at stake, man. We're losing. The president, the United States, well, it's all of us, isn't it? The United States is losing the Battle of Hormuz. Now, of course, we just got a True Social post. Oh, they want to meet. They asked for a meeting in Doha. I'll be nice. We'll go to a meeting. It's an absolute disgrace. The MOU, the whole point of signing this MOU, first of all, there weren't ballistic missile talks, there weren't nukes, there weren't anything in the MOU other than I'm getting a straight open free flow of oil for all my friends. You're welcome. Thank me. You're welcome. It ain't open, dude. They're every other day they're shooting at tankers and forcing them to stop or pay some extortion or something like that. This is awful. It's an absolute disgrace. Finish the effing job, Mr. President. They started this war 47 years ago. It is time to finish it. We got jobs, folks. So obviously the market's closed on Friday for the 4th of July. I think we got a half a day on Thursday. But we got a jobs report coming in, man. Where is it? Right here. Non-farm payroll, Thursday at 8:30. We know what happened last month. It was the blowout 172. We're looking for a little bit of a pullback, but folks, if the jobs number comes in hot after the hot inflation next week, we're going to implode. We will, hell, man, we're going to pound through this 50-day moving average and go lower. So tomorrow, or maybe even in the AR brief Wednesday morning, if you want to stop by, I'm going to talk about a trade. We need a trade that's going to act like a hedge. The raging inflation number, PCE number last week, caused us to implode along with some AI freak out. But folks, another solid jobs print with raging inflation numbers, ain't no way we're getting a rate cut anytime soon. And if you want to join me on Thursday for that free brief, I already talk about this. Look at this. The PCE printed hot. 2023 was the last time we saw PCE this hot. The CME Fed Watch now prices roughly 3 rate cuts. Wrong. Hikes. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen. President Trump ain't going to like that, is he? Kevin Warsh was supposed to go in there and be his puppet and his rate cutter. Man, we need a rate hike. Don't get me started, man. Jerome Powell's the absolute miserable failure as a Fed chief. Raging inflation and strong jobs in front of the election whiz. What did the Fed do? Sit on their hands to be apolitical? No. They cut rates. They should have raised rates in front of that election. He was doing it to help Kamala. What? I've been saying we need to raise rates for years, ladies and gentlemen, and now we're finally getting around to it. Man, the inflation is not at its target rate. And oh, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of those jobs are temporary World Cup jobs. One of the other reasons we had a big swing last week was this. We have $1 trillion market right now in these reverse triple Lindy with a twist things, man. And a lot of the semiconductor stocks, especially in that South Korean market, is called the Kospi, imploded last week. And that kind of, that moved over into U.S. markets as well. But folks, these, what is it? The Directions 3 times bull semiconductor ETF up 300% when, Micron went up 300%. This one sourced 700. Well, leverage works in both directions, folks. That's why we're going to see a lot more of these wild swings going on is these levered ETFs and these prediction markets like betting, if the S&P is going to finish above this or below this. I mean, the CBOE is even getting in on the game. CBOE debuts prediction market with S&P 500 contracts. You can't make this up. Bad news in AI, man. I mean, yeah, Micron blockbuster earnings. Did you see this? GM replacing 1,000 factory workers with 50 robots. They don't eat, sleep, they don't unionize, they don't need health care, they don't need 401ks. I want that to sink in. That's 1,000 families losing their jobs. Where tell them learn the code? What are these people going to do? I'm telling you, man. I mean, I'm making money on the way up with the AI bubble, but AI is going to take a ton of jobs. It's taken white collar jobs. Accenture. Go take a look at Accenture stock imploding, man. Those 500, 750 a year jobs with the nice bonus. I'm an Accenture managing partner or McKinsey or gone. Now they're coming. Because remember a year ago, the blue collar jobs will be the safest. Plumbers, electricians, factory gone in a heartbeat. Motel people, these optimists, whatevers are folding blankets and folding towels. Folks, this is bad. I'm making money on the way up, but get ready to pound the stuff into the dirt on the way down. It's sad. I'm torn, right? Because I'm Gordon Gekko and Jordan Belfort. I'm going to print money, man. Who cares about everybody else? I can't talk I couldn't even saying that I felt crappy. I'm a human, man. I'm a soul. I'm a healed soul. Thank you, God. And thank you to the sacraments of ibogaine and 5-MeO-DMT and psilocybin. I feel this. Man, we got a reckoning coming, and it is not going to be good. But guess what? If everything's going to be miserable, let's make a lot of money as that's happening, right? Go.topgunoptions.com/MAB, Max Afterburner. Join me July 1st, 10 a.m. Eastern, before we head out to Aspen. Declare your financial independence. Make sure you register just so you get the Bullish on America report, but also to learn about our lifetime, man. This is just an absolute insane return over the past 3 months. And by 12 months, I'll show you my personal accounts on Wednesday. Men lie, trades don't. And this is a steal. 25% discount on lifetime. And we only have two more slots. 3 members, current members, have already taken those slots. 2 more at the discounted rate, and then it goes back up to 20 grand. You can get your slot today. You shoot me an email, Wiz, WHIZ, at TopGunOptions.com if you want to lock down one of the last 2. We got Richard, Rick, and Nathan. Those are the 3 new members that joined in the past week before I even did the live trade brief. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay the full price after July 1st. All right, guys, I got to go. Have a great rest of your day. Fights on. Namaste. Wiz out.